Hello everyone. In this video we are discussing free resources for mechanical engineers at GaugeHow. You will find all these resources in the free resources section. Currently the website have 3 free courses and 5 library type session on CAD simulation, interview, softwares and metrology. At the free courses you will find the mechanical engineering foundation program. This course this course is made up of 5 short course like IC engine, metrology, production technologies, AutoCAD and career guide. You will find this course free. This is a 4-week course. Another free course is like a simulation kind of thing, in which you will work on simulation like this free body diagram. Next free course is on interview question and answer videos. You will find like kind of roles and domains for interview practice. Now let's jump into the library part. First one is the CAD library. If you are interested in CAD, you will find all the resources. You can also search on them in the search bar. Same applicable for the simulation part for FEA and CAE simulation. Next library is interview roles. The difference between the video lesson and the interview library is this. In this library you will find all the roles, all the roles applicable for mechanical and the core engineering domain. Next free resources is engineering tools. In this library you will find all the tools we use the mechanical engineering and the related manufacturing today. And the last resource is the metrology resource, like CAD and simulation. In this resource you will find all the details used for quality purpose and quality control and quality checks. Thanks, and let me know in comment which more free resources you are looking for.